screen in the blink of an eye, and you're gone from me. So